green island on a sunny day, what do you do? What do you see? I'll give you 5 minutes. Fairy tale is a type of short story that features fantasy characters.
Of the chick. Then a poor girl came. She was dressed in rags. I heard her say, "Maybe father won't get angry if I bring this." I felt sorry for her. When she came home this evening, her father was not there. So she used me to my end. After that, there was only 1 inch of me left. She kept me as his slave forever.
Very good. I loved what you wrote. Well done. Clap for her. Very nice. Yes. Matilda was a very clever girl. Roald Dahl has written on her. Plot is the central part of any book, be it a short story, be it a novel, be it a mystery, be it an adventure. The author decides on the central theme first before he or she starts writing. The plot will include characters. Who's the main character? Who are the characters? What is the sequence of events? What will happen after what? So an author draws up something called a storyboard. Did you understand? Where he places his characters, where he decides on the sequence of events, where he decides what will be the peak of the book, what will be the climax.
Walking stick, and my owner is an old man. One day my owner, Chuck Baxter, forgot me in his home and went out. I was very terrified because if he broke his ankle and fell down, then nobody would be my owner. I wanted to just go and tell him that he forgot me, but what do? I am a non-living thing. I first went to the beach with my family. There we made sand castles. After that, my father made a wooden house for me and my sister to play with. And on the far east side of the coast, there was one wall and a ladder. And on the other side of the wall, there were some tribes. My father said, "You can get up on the ladder and see, but you cannot go on the other side." So me and my sister went up the ladder and saw the tribe. Like at the back,
Yes.
there's a short kind of introduction of how the book is.
Very good. Can you clap for her very loudly? My very intelligent girl. Well done. Who can tell me the meaning of the word motivates? I want different hands to go up, not the same hands. Yes.
Convince.
Excellent. Can you clap? Loudly. Excellent. Another word is encourages. Now, in your exercise book, can you please write the word motivate? Quickly open your exercise books. He turned into a good giant from a selfish giant, okay? Lying on the ground, he felt very delighted. As he hopped near the tree, an idea struck his mind. It's already evening and no other animal has eaten the fruits. Yet, this is something very unusual, he thought. The rabbit could sense the danger and didn't go forward. Seeing the rabbit stop, the hunter became restless. What is restless? Restless is when you don't sit quietly, okay? When you're constantly moving.
I first went to the Universal Studios. I enjoyed from there I went to the Mother Tussauds Museum where we saw many statues of flame stars.
Good morning, my name is Pratyusha Gangopadhyay and I study in class 3A boarding. Today I received a certificate about the workshop. This workshop is called Books and Beyond. Here I very much like about how ma'am read the books, and I also like how she fixed up our grammar. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.